beautifuls, welcome back to Modern Girlz, your go-to space for all things fashion, beauty, and glow-up tips. Today, I'm going to share my favorite beauty hacks that will elevate your look this year, and I promise you'll love how easy they are. Staying updated with the latest beauty secrets is crucial to looking and feeling your best. Beauty trends are constantly evolving, and what was popular last year may not be this year. Every year, new products and techniques emerge, and 2025 is no exception. From innovative skincare products to game-changing makeup techniques, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a beauty novice or a seasoned pro, staying informed about the latest beauty hacks can make all the difference in your routine. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get left behind when it comes to beauty trends. With so many products and techniques available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why it's essential to stay focused on what really works and to be open to trying new things. Beauty is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. With the right mindset and a few simple hacks, you can take your beauty routine to the next level and achieve the look you've always wanted. Many people face common beauty challenges, such as not having enough time for their beauty routine or feeling overwhelmed by the countless products available. Time constraints can be a significant obstacle, making it difficult to prioritize self-care and beauty. Product overload is another challenge many people face, with the beauty industry constantly releasing new products, making it hard to know what to choose. The pressure to keep up with the latest trends can be overwhelming, leading to frustration and disappointment. Sustainable beauty solutions are also a growing concern, as people become more aware of the environmental impact of their beauty choices. Finding eco-friendly products that are effective and affordable can be a challenge, but it's an essential step towards a more sustainable beauty routine. People often struggle to find products that work for their skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination. This can lead to a trial-and-error approach, which can be time-consuming and expensive. Another common challenge is finding the right makeup techniques to enhance one's features without looking too done up. Mastering the art of natural makeup can be difficult, but it's essential for everyday looks. The beauty industry is constantly evolving, and new challenges arise every year. Staying informed and adaptable is key to overcoming these challenges and achieving the desired look. For those who struggle with acne, finding the right products and treatments can be a significant challenge. It's essential to understand the causes of acne and to find products that address the root of the problem. With the rise of social media, beauty standards can be unattainable, leading to low self-esteem and body dissatisfaction. It's essential to remember that beauty is unique to each individual and that everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. Beauty is not just about physical appearance, it's also about feeling confident and comfortable in one's own skin. When we look good, we feel good, and that's what beauty is all about. In 2025, several beauty hacks and secrets will be trending, from innovative products to DIY tips and techniques. One of the most popular trends will be personalized skincare, where products are tailored to individual skin types and concerns. Another trend will be sustainable beauty, with a focus on eco-friendly packaging, cruelty-free products, and reduced waste. The beauty industry is shifting towards a more conscious approach, and consumers are driving this change. In terms of makeup, natural and effortless looks will be popular, with a focus on enhancing one's features rather than covering them up. This will include techniques such as subtle highlighting and soft, natural-colored lip shades. The use of facial massage and other self-care practices will also be on the rise, as people become more aware of the importance of relaxation and mindfulness in their beauty routines. Exfoliating will be a key part of many skincare routines, with a focus on chemical exfoliants and physical exfoliants, such as face masks and scrubs. The right exfoliant can make a significant difference in the texture and appearance of the skin. Face masks will continue to be popular, with a wide range of options available from sheet masks to cream masks and peel-off masks. These masks can provide an intense dose of hydration, brightening, or other benefits, depending on the ingredients. The impact of beauty trends on our self-esteem and body image should not be underestimated. When we feel good about ourselves, we're more confident and better equipped to take on the world. One of the most impactful beauty hacks is double cleansing, which involves using 2 different cleansers to thoroughly clean the skin. This can make a significant difference in the effectiveness of subsequent skincare products. Double cleansing can be especially beneficial for those with oily skin, as it helps to remove excess oil and prevent clogged pores. By incorporating double cleansing into your routine, you can achieve healthier, more radiant skin. A consistent skincare routine is essential for achieving and maintaining healthy, glowing skin. It's also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Staying up to date with the latest beauty trends can be overwhelming, but it's worth it to find what works best for you. Experimenting with new products and techniques can be fun and exciting, and it's a great way to discover new favorites. The most impactful beauty hack is to keep your routine simple and consistent. By focusing on a few key products and techniques, you can achieve a significant improvement in your skin and overall appearance. A simple skincare routine can be just as effective as a complicated one, and it's often easier to maintain in the long term. By streamlining your routine, you can save time and reduce stress. Simplifying your beauty routine can also help reduce waste and make your routine more sustainable. This can be achieved by choosing products with minimal packaging and opting for refillable or reusable containers. By simplifying your beauty routine, you can focus on what really matters, taking care of your skin and feeling confident in your own skin. This is the key to achieving a beautiful, radiant glow. In summary, the key beauty hacks for 2025 include personalized skincare, sustainable beauty, natural makeup looks, and double cleansing. By incorporating these trends into your routine, you can elevate your look and achieve healthy, glowing skin. By focusing on a simple, consistent routine and staying informed about the latest beauty trends, you can take your beauty routine to the next level. Remember to always prioritize your skin's needs and to have fun experimenting with new products and techniques. The world of beauty is constantly evolving, and by staying adaptable and open-minded, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve the look you've always wanted. Check out my other video for more beauty tips and tricks, and don't forget to share your own favorite beauty secrets in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Girlz for more glow-up and style content. Thanks for watching. Or